Make your purchase now.
Yeah, you see my hate. Yeah, I see your hate, Lord. Yeah, I see your hate. Yeah, you see my hate, Lord. Yeah, you see my hate. Yeah, I see your hate, Lord. Yeah, I see your hate. Yeah, you see my hate, Lord. Baby, we can go where you won't go. Baby, this ain't no joke. I swear that pussy ferocious. It's heaven sent. Come ride with me on some wild shit. Used to love our haters because they buy shit. Now I hate this shit. I'm getting tired of this. Arkham City on some robbing shit. Bonnie Park on some mobbing shit. A nigga like me keep trying to quit, but the system keeping me from the finer shit. They say you get money fast, so I tried this shit. Like I'm constipated and it's a line of shit. My mama waiting, I gotta sign it quick. Need to come up quick, I'm about to find a brick. And then we swipe, 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 you know what time it is. We used to breaking it down, they had no grinders here. When you fucking with me, you had to find this gear. Fucking you deep, there's plenty condoms here. But my shit raw around the time this year. High grade lied and I'm down to bill. She said she walking away, but she bound to trip. Said she walking away, but she bound to trip. Yeah, you see my hate. Yeah, I see your hate, Lord. Yeah, I see your hate. Yeah, you see my hate, Lord. Yeah, you see my hate. Yeah, I see your hate, Lord. Yeah, I see your hate. Yeah, you see my hate, Lord. But baby, come save me. You my angel watching me daily. Lost love and a nigga went crazy. No game, so these bitches can't play me. I'm a slim nigga, but no shady. And if I show up, you gon' pay me. Niggas talking shit, it don't faze me. I been wanting that one for me lately. Hope you that one so that we can make babies. Make memories, smoke and be lazy. I'm not a killer nigga, but don't make me. Yeah, but nigga don't make me. Get the shots fired, have your whole fucking block retired. I know the cops is tired, but I don't give a fuck because you only live once, nigga. So I'm gon' live it up. Got a bad chick and she thick and fuck. A lot of cat bitch, I let her pick it up. I got mad grip, she never tripping up. She let me tap it before she hit the duck. Then I cashed in and saw them bigger bucks. Then I smashed again, she got terrific sucks. Doing backflips when I pick her up. Know I love the cream and she be dripping up. Yeah. No, I love the cream and she be dripping up. Got my niggas in the kitchen and they whipping up with them army guns, clip big and fuck. When we bring it out, we gotta whip the truck. Need all space just to lift it up. Need a talk bass just to lift you up. We like Scarface and this bitch the fuck. Yeah.